What is the best way to clean concrete, or what is the best cleaning agent for cleaning concrete? The best way to clean concrete will kind of depend on what's wrong with it. Is it just dirty? Is it stained? What kind of particular stain is it? Again, there's a technical process to each of these things. In general, the best way to clean concrete is with an acid wash. Professionally speaking, that's what concrete workers would do if they needed to clean concrete. You would typically use something diluted like 7 to 10 parts water with 1 part muriatic acid. You don't want it to be stronger than that. I mean, you can sometimes, but a more aggressive acid stain will strip away so much of the Portland cement component that it can weaken the surface layer of the concrete. And that's why you want to go with something a little bit more diluted, 7 to 10 parts water to 1 part muriatic acid. You would put that into a sprinkling can, a plastic gardening sprinkling can, apply that to the concrete that you're trying to clean or acid wash. Let it sit for 30 or 60 seconds for it to kind of foam and do its thing, and then rinse it all down, being sure to neutralize that discharge that you've got. So is that it? Just use acid wash to clean concrete? That's all you ever need to do? No, it's not, because if you acid wash concrete that is saturated with oils, now you have a problem. Oil in concrete needs to be removed prior to acid washing. Further to that, acid won't remove that stain. In order to remove oil from concrete, you should be using something like TSP, trisodium phosphate, made with water and TSP granules into like a paste scrub applied to the oil stain, and then use a nylon brush to kind of massage it into the surface. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse it down. Ideally, this will help to break down the oils which are not only on the surface, but also absorbed into the concrete itself, because concrete is a porous substance. So acid washing is a great way to clean concrete. TSP is a great way to clean concrete. There are other options. A pressure washer is a great way to clean concrete. As long as you choose a tip that's not going to be so aggressive that it etches or damages the surface of your concrete, a pressure washer can go a long way towards removing concrete without using any harmful chemicals or anything that risks potentially staining the concrete further. So the best way for you to clean your concrete is going to kind of depend on the nature of the problem that you have, what materials and tools you have available to you, what technical processes you're comfortable working with. Again, stuff like muriatic acid, not everybody should be working with that. That's dangerous stuff, and definitely best left to the professionals. I hope you found this information helpful.